लिख लीजिए importance of consumer price index or importance of cost of living index. So it has great importance in practical life. So cost of living index or consumer price index is used in every financial and economic decisions. For example, first, its importance is formulation of price policies by the government. So government use this consumer price index to frame policies on prices. So on the basis of this index, government decides whether the prices are to be controlled. Price policy should be adopted on public distribution system. So you write down the consumer price index is used by the government to frame policies on prices of different goods, on the prices of factors of production. So on the basis of these indexes, on the basis of consumer price index and cost of living index, government decides the pricing policies. It also, the government policies like rent control. So also government policies like rent control, taxation, and general economic and financial policies, are based on consumer price index. So government formulates all the policies, important policies like policies regarding prices, taxation policies, rent control policies, general economic policies, and financial policies. They are based on consumer price index. Number second, its importance is wage fixation of wages in the country. So this index is also used to adjust the wages for the labor class. This index is used to adjust the wages of the working class or wages of the labor class. So wages of the laborers are adjusted by the government on the basis of consumer price index. The rate of dearness allowances, DA, dearness allowance जो मुलाजिमों को दिया जाता है, और decided by the government on the basis of cost of living index or consumer price index. So these indexes are also used for wage contracts and wage agreements. It is also used for wage contracts and wage agreements of the workers. Number third, very important importance, it measures real value, measurement of real value of money and purchasing power of money of money. So its third importance, very great importance, is on the basis of consumer price index, we are able to measure the real value and purchasing power of money in a country. Number fourth is, so it is used also for market analysis. The consumer price index are used for analysis of the market of specific commodities for their demand and supply. So it is used for market analysis, analysis of different commodities, about their demand and supply, So it is cost of living index or price index number, this consumer price index, which is used to analyze, to know about the market condition of different commodities, what is their demand and what is their supply. Number fifth is, it is used, CPI is used as deflator of national income. It is used as deflator of national income. ये आप 12th में पढ़ोगे व्हाट इज नेशनल इनकम डेफलेटर. इससे हम नॉमिनल नेशनल इनकम को चेंज करते हैं रियल नेशनल इनकम में. फिर वो रियल चेंज कितनी आ गई है, एक तो मॉनेटरी चेंज इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी, कितनी चेंज आ गई है नेशनल इनकम में फ्रॉम वन ईयर टू अनदर ईयर. नेशनल इनकम डिफ्लेटर हमें मदद करता है टू चेंज द नॉमिनल नेशनल इनकम और मनी इनकम, मनी नेशनल इनकम इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी टू रियल नेशनल इनकम. रियल चेंज कितनी आ गई नेशनल इनकम में. अकॉर्डिंगली रियल चेंज इन नेशनल इनकम इज एस्टिमेटेड. सो thus real change in national income is estimated. So with the help of this consumer price index, we are able to know the real change in national income. So these are the 5 uses, important uses of consumer price index. It helps the government to formulate policies for prices of different commodities. It helps the government to fix the wages of its labor class, of its working class. Also the DA, dearness allowance of government employees, are decided by the government on the basis of this consumer price index. So you see, government provides dearness allowance to its employees twice in a year. हर 6 महीने के बाद, after every 6 months, government provides dearness allowance, DA, to its employees. It is decided at what percentage government will give DA to its pay DA to its employees. It is decided on the basis of consumer price index. Third is measurement of real value of money and purchasing power of money in a country. एक country में हम real value of money estimate कर सकते हैं, assess कर सकते हैं, और purchasing power क्या है, money कितना buy कर सकते हैं market में. So that is measured by the consumer price index. It is also used for market, to know the market analysis, to analyze the market of different commodities about their demand and supply. What is their demand and what is their supply? So it is market analysis is made on the basis of consumer price index. Also, it is used as deflator of national income. It is used as deflator of national income. So these are the importances where it is used. And the next is, we also face some difficulties while constructing national income. While constructing this consumer price index, difficulties in construction of consumer price index. Difficulties, कौन सी difficulties हम face कर रहे हैं? Difficulties in construction of consumer price index. और CPI, जिसको हम कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग इंडेक्स भी कहते हैं. कहाँ कहाँ दिक्कत? देयर आर मेनी डिफिकल्टीज इन द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ कंज्यूमर price index. So we face different many difficulties in the construction of cost of living index. The first difference is these difficulties, or as discussed below, difference in standard of living. So consumption pattern of different class of consumers are different and therefore have different living standard. Thus, there cannot be one consumer price index for different classes of society. क्या बताता है ये first point? Difference in the standard of living of different classes of consumers. Consumption pattern of different classes of consumers are different. So difference in standard of living. Standard of living of different classes of consumers, of different classes of consumers. So first difficulty is which we face, we use same index for all classes of people. For example, there is one class of people, there is another class of people, there is another class of people. We use one CPI index for all classes of people. But in practice, there is difference in standard of living of the different class of people. This class of people have one standard of living, this has another standard of living, and this has another standard of living. So it is difficult to know the price change or standard change in standard of living of the by using one index. There cannot be one consumer index for different classes of people. Thus, there cannot be one index for different classes of, there cannot be one index for different class of people. So हम कहते हैं कि different people have different standard of living. We cannot use only one index. We should have different indexes for different classes of people as per their standard of living. Number second is the price indices are constructed on the basis of retail price index. But the retail prices vary from place to place, even at the same place from shop to shop. As such, it is very difficult to find a representative price, one price for calculation of difference in prices. Second difficulty is difference in prices. Difference in prices. क्या ये point क्या कहता है? Generally we use retail price. We use retail price. Retail price in the construction of consumer price index. In the construction of consumer price index. But it is difficult. It is different. It is different. What is different? Retail price or consumer price. Retail price vary from one place to another. Vary from one place to another. ये एक शॉप से दूसरे शॉप पे डिफरेंट हो सकता है. एक दुकानदार एक रेट पे देता है चीज, दूसरा देता है दूसरे रेट पे. From place to place and even from shop to shop and even from shop to shop. Shop to shop. Thus, it is very difficult to find. It is very difficult to find one price for calculation of consumer price index. So इसमें ये दूसरी difficulty हमें face करनी पड़ती है. The retail price which we use in the construction of consumer price index is not same at all places. It differ from one place to another. It vary from one place to another. Number third difficulty is the difference in proportion of expenditure. Difference in proportion of expenditure. Difference in proportion of expenditure. So all the members of any particular group do not spend on various items of consumption in the same ratio. So all the people do not spend same expenditure on a commodity. So all the people in the same group do not spend same ratio. Do not spend same ratio on the purchase of a good. The purchase of a good. The ratio of expenditure. The ratio of expenditure on a good differ or vary from person to person. From person to person in the same group, even in the same group. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये ग्रुप है, हम कंसिडर करते हैं जितना इस आदमी ने खर्च किया एक कमोडिटी पे, राइस पे, इसने फॉर एग्जाम्पल 10% एक्सपेंडिचर किया, इस आदमी ने भी 10% ही खर्च किया, इसने भी 10% ही खर्च किया, इसने भी 10% हम कंसिडर करते हैं, बट इट इज नॉट ट्रू इन प्रैक्टिस. In practice, it is not true. One person spends less on one good, another spends more on that very good. So a consumer's purchase ratio depends upon his or her taste, habits. वो depend करता है उसके. So accordingly, it is difficult to construct. Thus, it is difficult to construct. Thus, it is difficult to construct one cost of living index that truly reflects a change in the cost of living of the people. It is difficult to construct same CPI for all the people in the group to know their cost of living, to know their cost of living. So हम कंसिडर करते हैं जितनी नुसरत राइस पे खर्च करती है उतना ही आईना भी, उतना ही दानिया भी, उतना ही इकरा भी, बट प्रैक्टिकली ये ट्रू नहीं है. हम कंसिडर करते हैं, एज्यूम करते हैं कि सबों ने एक चीज पे बराबर खर्च किया. फॉर एग्जांपल, नुसरत ने ड्रेस पे 10% ईयर में खर्च किया, आईना ने भी 10% अपने आमदनी का खर्च किया, दानिया ने भी, बट दैट इज नॉट ट्रू. Some may spend less on a good or more depending upon their tastes, habits, preferences, etc. We use same index, same measuring rod for all consumers. That is not good. That is not true. So thus it is difficult to construct the same one index, one consumer price index for all the people in the same group to know their cost of living. So these are the difficulties which we face in constructing the consumer price index. ठीक है, तो इस तरह हमारा कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग इंडेक्स हमने कंप्लीट किया. इट इज इंपॉर्टेंस एज वेल एज डिफिकल्टीज फेस्ड. अब हमारा है होलसेल प्राइस इंडेक्स. अभी हम पढ़ रहे थे कंज्यूमर प्राइस इंडेक्स, अब हम पढ़ेंगे होलसेल प्राइस इंडेक्स. व्हाट इज होलसेल प्राइस इंडेक्स एंड व्हाट आर इट्स यूजेस, इसके यूजेस भी क्या क्या है. ठीक है, पढ़ेंगे?
यस सर.
इस वक्त पढ़ेंगे. आपको थोड़ा 1 मिनट लीव करनी है मीटिंग, वीडियो मीटिंग.
सर करेंगे.
लीव करो 1 मिनट के लिए, फिर ज्वाइन कर.